This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Cardinale. New on market. Fantastic lakefront property. Snowbird Delight. 3-bedroom/2 BTH/2 CG in Stuart's gated community of River Marina. Spacious open floor plan, tiled living areas, Chef's Delight island-style kitchen with ample cabinet and counter space, granite counters and breakfast nook. Formal dining room. Comfy master suite west/2 walk-in closets with picturesque lake views. Gorgeous master bath with his/her sinks, separate. Walk-in shower, and garden tub. Spacious screened covered lanai with fenced yard. Paver Driveway. Community clubhouse west/pool, fitness. Pets allowed. Commuters Delight, close access to I-95. Top rated Martin Cty Schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Cardinale at 772-486-0864.